All right. Are you guys ready for this? Sorry. All right. How am I going to do this?
He's so aggressive. Oh, there's two of the twos.
Yeah, what the fuck?
So what you do,
Okay.
I'll teach you how to build the Legos.
Yeah.
So this is the instruction manual.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Holy shit.
try not to lose.
Wow, there's so many pieces.
Yeah. See?
I'm already so confused.
No, but see? So you get one of those bad boys and one of those bad boys.
All right.
And then you just follow the instructions.
Oh, what the fuck?
It's so small with your hand.
I got such big fucking
You already fucked
big
it up.
hands, mate.
You already fucked
Is
it
that
up.
wrong?
Yeah.
Why is that wrong? That's perfect.
Oh no, that's right. I'm sorry. My apologies.
What do you mean?
I'm sorry. No, you're doing so well. I love you.
I love
sorry.
you too. It's
I'm
okay. Yeah, I've never done Legos in my life. Literally never built a Lego. Look at that. That's nice.
Get one of those, two of those, one of them, one of them, one of them, and one of them.
Oh god.
You can do it. Yeah, I'll help you.
Like that?
Yeah, but you can follow that. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
And then a fucking...
You got it. You're doing it.
What the fuck is that? What is that bit?
Nice box.
Hell yeah. That's what she said.
I think we're. I don't know if we're building the base right now. Oh no, I think we're building the mouse. We're building the mouse.
Oh, that's cool. It's like a little face. Look, it's like a little pumpkin face, if it focuses. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. All right, it's starting to come together. Yeah. Oh, that's looking nice. Look, this is the tail. Oh. Oh, can't get in. Fuck. It's fine. I'm really good at Lego. Little tail. Look at him. Oh, look at that. That's looking good. All right, we're on to number 2, baby. The way that Myers is facing the mouse, it looks a bit sus. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so that's what we're building. This is currently the kitty that we're building now. We've already done the mousy pumpkin. Already done that one. So we got to build the rest of the kitty and like the base and stuff. And I think we're good. Yeah, we're pretty close. We're getting close. We're like halfway, at least, probably. Yes. Oh, look at that. It's looking good. Like they're the leggies. That's the tail. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, look at the tail. It's a kitty. Look at that. That's the kitty tail. That's actually fucking cool. Oh, yeah. Where are they? Oh, are they on the bottom? Oh, then we got to do those. Oh, yeah. There we go. Little leggy looking things. And they go on the outside. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Where does this one go? Under? All right. Oh, shit. I don't want to lose this fucking thing. Eh. Big hands. Look at it. He's peeking. This one? Oh. It's like a little face now. Oh, that's gonna be cute as fuck. I'll let you do your thing first. Oh, other way. Yeah. Fuck yeah, look at this. That's so cool. All right, whiskeys. There's one. Fuck. Wait, what the fuck? Is that right? Hang on. It's just being weird. It's fine. Get in there, cat. Yeah. Look at his little face. And then we just whack him on. Oh, yeah, see, like that. Yeah, dude. Look at this thing. That's fucking sick. Meow. Little tail. Little feet. That's cool. Yeah, all right, we're on to the last lot, dude. Yeah, that one, I'll get this one. Oh yeah. Yeah, get it in there. Yeah, baby. Oh, that ASMR. Love it. All right, cool. All right, big bassies. Oh, we need that one? Oh, shit, okay. Like that? Hang on, wait. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. That's how we looking now, baby. Yeah. What is this one supposed to be? So this is just the base for the cat and for, yeah, well. So it's a base for the mouse, I think. Is that it? Yeah, right there. And then I guess the cat's just off doing its thing. Yeah. Yeah. Just chilling. Yeah, no, that's not right.
You were right.
I was right and Sace was wrong. She fucked up. I thought I had it right. It's like, what do you mean? Oh, that's all right. It's coming along pretty good, man. That's looking good. That's looking real good. What a fancy base. Yeah. Yeah, true. Yeah, this is very small fry in comparison to... Oh, we have pumpkins. Fuck yeah. We need the green bits. For the top. Little pumpkins, man. All right, where are we going? There we go. Oh shit. Is that it?
That's it. And
Then we get the kitty and yeah, then we can get them on there. Fuck yeah, so that one goes up there, I think. How the fuck does that get on? Yeah, show the peeps. Yeah, get in there. Look, we did it. Lego things. That looks pretty good. I think we did a fucking good job. Good job, baby. That's awesome. Thank you guys for watching us build Lego things. Fuck yeah. That's awesome.